describe your daily routine in English confidently?
Many English learners struggle with that simple question.
What if someone asks about your typical day tomorrow?
Would you feel confident answering naturally and clearly?
If not, today's episode is exactly what you need.
By the end of this podcast, you will learn useful daily routine expressions.
You will also hear natural conversations used by fluent speakers.
And the best part is, everything will be easy to understand.
These are the phrases people actually use every day.
You can use them at work, school, interviews, and conversations.
So stay with us until the end.
Because we will share practical speaking tips throughout this episode.
Let's start with the beginning of every day. Olivia, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 6 o'clock every morning.
That sounds like a productive start to the day.
I enjoy waking up early because mornings feel peaceful.
Do you jump out of bed immediately?
Not always. Sometimes I need a few minutes.
I think many listeners can relate to that. After waking up, I usually make my bed.
That is a small habit with big benefits.
It makes my room look organized immediately.
And it creates a positive feeling early.
Exactly. Small actions can improve your entire day.
What do you do after making your bed?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Those are essential parts of every morning routine.
After that, I drink a large glass of water.
That is a healthy habit many people recommend.
It helps me feel refreshed and energized.
And that is how a productive morning begins. Olivia, what do you usually do next?
After drinking water, I do some stretching.
Why do you stretch every morning?
It helps my body feel active and flexible.
How long do you usually stretch?
I usually stretch for about 10 minutes.
That sounds easy for most people.
Yes, anyone can add it to their routine.
Do you exercise after stretching?
Yes, I usually do a short workout.
What kind of workout do you prefer?
I enjoy walking and simple body weight exercises.
Do you exercise every single day?
I try my best to stay consistent.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Small efforts produce long-term results.
What do you do after exercising?
I take a shower and get ready.
How long does that usually take?
Usually around 20 minutes every morning.
Do you listen to music while getting ready?
Sometimes I listen to relaxing music.
Does music improve your mood?
Yes, it helps me start positively.
What do you wear on a typical day?
It depends on my plans and activities.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Most days, yes, because I prepare ahead.
Preparing ahead saves valuable time.
It definitely makes mornings less stressful.
Let's talk about breakfast now.
Breakfast is one of my favorite meals.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit, toast, and yogurt.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
It gives me energy for the morning.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
No, I try not to skip it.
Why is breakfast important to you?
It helps me stay focused and productive.
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, I usually drink 1 cup.
Many people cannot start without coffee.
That seems true for many adults.
What do you do while eating breakfast?
Sometimes I read news articles online.
That sounds like a productive habit.
It helps me stay informed.
Do you check social media early?
I try to avoid it initially.
Why do you avoid it?
It can distract me from priorities.
That is a very practical tip.
Focusing early improves my entire day.
Do you create a daily schedule?
Yes, I plan important tasks each morning.
What do you include in your schedule?
I include work, study, and personal activities.
Does planning reduce stress levels?
Yes, it helps me feel organized.
What happens if you skip planning?
My day feels less structured.
Many people experience the same thing.
Planning provides direction and clarity.
What time do you usually begin work?
I usually start working around 9.
Do you work better mornings or evenings?
I work better during mornings.
Why are mornings more productive for you?
My energy and concentration are strongest then.
That is useful to know about yourself.
Understanding your habits improves productivity.
What is your first work task?
I review emails and important messages.
Do you answer every email immediately?
No, only urgent messages first.
That sounds like smart prioritization.
It helps me manage time efficiently.
Do you use a notebook?
Yes, I write important reminders.
Writing things down improves memory.
It also helps prevent mistakes.
How often do you take breaks?
I usually take short breaks regularly.
What do you do during those breaks?
I stand up and stretch briefly.
Why is movement important during work?
Sitting too long can reduce energy.
That is excellent advice for listeners.
Small movement breaks make a difference.
Do you listen to music while working?
Sometimes, especially during simple tasks.
Does it help your concentration?
Yes, if the music is calm.
What is your biggest productivity tip?
Focus on one task at a time.
That is simple but powerful advice.
Multitasking often creates unnecessary mistakes.
I completely agree with that.
Giving full attention improves results.
How do you stay motivated daily?
I remember my long-term goals.
Goals can provide strong motivation.
They remind me why I work hard.
What happens around lunchtime?
I usually take a proper lunch break.
Do you eat alone or with others?
It depends on the day.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I prefer balanced and nutritious meals.
Why do you choose healthy meals?
Healthy food helps maintain energy levels.
That is important during busy afternoons.
Good nutrition supports productivity.
Do you continue working after lunch?
Yes, I return with fresh energy.
That sounds like an effective routine.
Having a routine makes life easier.
And routines help build positive habits.
Exactly. Success often starts with daily habits.
Let's continue discussing afternoon routines next.
We still have many useful expressions to share.
So stay with us and keep practicing.
Your English improves every time you listen.
Welcome back, everyone, to our daily routine discussion.
We have already covered mornings and work habits.
Now let's talk about afternoon and evening routines.
These are important parts of every day.
Olivia, what do you usually do after lunch?
I usually return to my most important tasks.
Why do you prioritize important tasks first?
My energy level is still fairly strong.
That sounds like a smart productivity strategy.
Difficult tasks deserve focused attention and effort.
Do you ever feel distracted during afternoons?
Yes, distractions happen to everyone sometimes.
How do you stay focused when distracted?
I take a short break and reset.
What kind of break helps you most?
Walking around for a few minutes helps.
That sounds simple but very effective.
Small breaks can improve concentration significantly.
Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Occasionally, but I usually choose tea later.
Why do you prefer tea later?
It feels lighter and helps me relax.
Do you communicate with coworkers frequently?
Yes, teamwork requires regular communication.
What makes workplace communication more effective?
Clear language and active listening are essential.
That is useful advice for English learners.
Simple communication is often the most effective.
What time do you usually finish work?
I normally finish around 5 o'clock.
How do you feel after finishing work?
I feel relieved and ready to relax.
What is the first thing you do?
I usually take a short walk outside.
Why do you enjoy walking after work?
It helps clear my mind completely.
Fresh air can improve your mood.
Yes, it helps me feel refreshed.
Do you listen to anything while walking?
Sometimes I listen to podcasts or music.
What type of podcasts do you enjoy?
I enjoy educational and self-improvement podcasts.
Learning while walking sounds productive.
It is one of my favorite habits.
What do you do when you return home?
I usually change clothes and relax briefly.
Do you check your phone immediately?
No, I prefer taking a break first.
That seems like a healthy habit.
It helps reduce unnecessary stress.
Let's talk about exercise after work.
Exercise is an important part of my routine.
How often do you exercise weekly?
I exercise at least 5 times weekly.
What exercises do you enjoy most?
Walking, stretching, and light strength training.
Why do you enjoy those activities?
They are simple and easy to maintain.
Consistency is important for fitness goals.
Exactly. Regular exercise creates better results.
What benefits have you noticed personally?
I have more energy throughout the day.
That is a great benefit.
Exercise also helps improve my mood.
Do you ever exercise with friends?
Sometimes we go walking together.
That must make exercise more enjoyable.
Yes, conversations make time pass quickly.
What do you usually do before dinner?
I organize small tasks around home.
What kind of tasks are those?
Cleaning, organizing, and preparing for tomorrow.
Staying organized reduces daily stress.
That is exactly why I do it.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
I usually eat around 7 o'clock.
Do you cook your own meals?
Yes, most evenings I cook myself.
What meals do you enjoy preparing?
Simple meals with vegetables and protein.
Healthy meals support a healthy lifestyle.
Good nutrition affects both energy and focus.
Do you eat while watching television?
Usually not, because I prefer conversations.
That sounds like a mindful habit.
It helps me enjoy meals more.
What do you usually do after dinner?
I spend time reading books,
How much time do you read daily?
usually between 30 and 40 minutes.
Reading is a fantastic daily habit.
It improves knowledge and vocabulary naturally.
What books are you reading currently?
Mostly books about communication and growth.
Those topics are useful for everyone.
They provide practical lessons for life.
Do you spend time with family?
Yes, I talk with family every evening.
What do you discuss together?
We discuss work, plans, and experiences.
Family conversations are very meaningful.
They help strengthen important relationships.
Do you ever meet friends after work?
Sometimes I meet friends for coffee.
What do you enjoy about those meetings?
Sharing experiences and supporting each other.
Good friendships improve everyday life.
They definitely make life more enjoyable.
Let's discuss English learning routines now.
That is one of my favorite topics.
How do you practice English daily?
I listen to English every day.
What do you listen to most?
Podcasts, interviews, and English conversations.
Why is listening important for learners?
It improves pronunciation and comprehension naturally.
Do you practice speaking every day?
Yes, even if only briefly.
How do you practice speaking alone?
I describe my activities aloud.
That is an excellent practice technique.
It builds confidence without pressure.
Do you learn new vocabulary regularly?
Yes, I learn several words weekly.
Do you remember new words?
I use them in real sentences.
That helps vocabulary become more natural.
Exactly. Context makes learning easier.
Do you keep an English journal?
Yes, I write a few sentences daily.
What do you write about usually?
I write about my daily routine.
That is perfect for language practice.
It improves grammar and writing skills.
What advice would you give beginners?
Practice every day, even briefly.
Consistency beats intensity for most learners.
Small efforts create significant improvements.
Now let's talk about nighttime routines.
A good nighttime routine improves sleep.
What do you do before bedtime?
I prepare everything for the next day.
Why is preparation so important?
It makes mornings calmer and easier.
Do you review your schedule?
Yes, I review important tasks.
Do you use screens before sleeping?
I try to avoid them completely.
Why do you avoid screens?
They can affect sleep quality negatively.
Many people struggle with that habit.
Small changes can improve sleep greatly.
What do you do instead?
I read a few pages quietly.
Reading sounds relaxing before sleep.
It helps my mind slow down.
What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep around 10:30.
Why do you sleep relatively early?
Good sleep improves productivity and health.
Sleep is often underestimated by people.
Yet it affects almost everything daily.
Looking back, what habit helps most?
Planning my day every morning.
Why is planning so effective?
It gives direction and reduces stress.
What habit would you recommend listeners start?
Start with one simple healthy habit.
Why only one habit initially?
Small changes are easier to maintain.
That is practical and realistic advice.
Consistency matters more than perfection.
We have discussed many daily routine expressions.
These phrases are useful in real conversations.
Try answering these questions yourself.
Practice speaking aloud every single day.
Do not worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn and improve.
Confidence grows through regular practice.
Fluency develops one conversation at a time.
Thank you for spending time with us.
We appreciate every listener joining today.
We hope this episode improved your English.
We also hope it inspired better habits.
Remember that success starts with daily actions.
Strong routines create strong results over time.
Keep listening, learning, and speaking confidently.
Continue practicing English in your daily life.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Thank you for having a productive and wonderful day ahead.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy English learning.